Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this text on the water effect that you see on the screen right now. We'll go ahead and start out on the edit page. Go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and you can leave it on 5 seconds. Or whatever length you want, it will continue to generate to any link you put on the timeline. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, that's why it's up there in the way. We are going to make a macro at the end and save it as an effect. You can reuse it if you want. We'll bring our media in. I got the media from Pixabay. Just a video of water in a pool. Get a text plus node. Merge it into the media in. It'll make a merge. Select the text. Put the text you like it in. I recommend using a bold font. Looks better. I like Tico for stuff like this. And select the merge. Shift space and displace node. Then get a fast noise. Make sure it's plugged into the green input of the displays. Select the displays. Set the offset on 0.1. Probably depending on what footage you have, you may have to adjust these a little differently. And we'll set the refraction strength to 0.45. And then zoom it in, so we'll make it a little smaller. You'll see we don't have anything going on yet. Select the fast noise. Take the detail all the way up to 10. And the seed rate to 0.22. Now we're getting a little movement. We'll give it some color. For some reason, if we don't, sometimes it doesn't want to work. But when you add color, it seems to work every time. And turn the alpha all the way up. And if you select this discontinuous, it'll give it a different look. Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll go ahead and make the macro. Just highlight them like I am. Make sure you don't include the media in or the media out. Right click on any one of them. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. If you don't know what to select in your macro, just click on that node and look over the inspector and you'll see what you have. That should be all we need there. And the displays. We'll select it. That should be all we need. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Effects. Here's where you're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. Again, remember to name it different than the preset or Resolve won't recognize it. I'm going to go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Don't forget, it's in effects. We'll bring down our media. And there we have it. I should have put the playhead over it. And there we go. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.